Now, how do you know if your mindset is okay with the idea of you speaking in English? Very simple. For example, when you try to speak English, do you feel awkward? Or maybe you want to start speaking in English. Instead of saying dah makan, you say, hi, have you eaten? Or would you like to have poyo kat belakang. Ada tak? Nak start cakap English ke poyo, ada tak? You feel like, poyo cakap English. Orang tak cakap pun. You yang cakap, tak nak poyo lah. Orang tak cakap apa-apa pun. Okay? So you yourself think you are poyo. Why? Because your mindset is still not used to that idea. You're still not, macam pelik je, tak biasa. So now kita nak biasakan diri kita dengan idea bahawa kita pun boleh bercakap bahasa Inggeris. Kita pun penutur bahasa Inggeris. Bukan setakat boleh, tapi memang kita penutur. Lain You can and you are actually the speaker. It's quite different. Are you struggling to speak English? Join our free class today. Click the link in bio to learn more.